And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here at the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub in sunny Cheshire. And it is bright and it's sunny. The sun's just coming up now. It's 6:23 a.m. I've been in work for about an hour and a half. And we're mooching about on this Mercedes. So this is the one that's got the boost issue. PO299, I think it is. If I remember rightly, and we've sort of sorted that side of the engine out now. Now we're looking at the EGR cooler, which is buried. So you've got a vacuum chamber, EGR cooler underneath, switch over valve underneath that. So we've got a bit of dismantling to do there. And yeah, we're in the hub. You can see nice bright sunny day there. Somebody was asking yesterday about the ADAS equipment. So. Frankie, if you're looking at this, if you're watching this, mate, this is the Autocom ADAS board that we use to calibrate the radar and then the cameras. Yeah, this is the thing that we use for calibration. Obviously, we set it out on the floor over there. We check that it's flat and level, and then we carry out a calibration, an audited calibration. Morning, Soran. How are you, mate? Yeah, so that's the board. That's the target that we use for calibrating the radar. That there, otherwise known as a mirror. So yeah, yeah. So we're gonna be getting into this. A few nuts and bolts to come off there this morning, but we're feeling the pressure. Question yesterday we were talking. It was Steve from Diagnostics. He's just bought himself a new pressure and vacuum gauge. This is the gauge I was talking about, mate, from ADS Automotive. So these are Frank and Dave had these custom built. Just move that so you can see the logo. So it's an ADS pressure and vacuum gauge. It's absolutely awesome. It is. Measures in inches of mercury or PSI. And yeah, really good gauge that is. You've got your target needle, your maximum, maximum. Mine have got the quick release fitting on it, and then obviously I just tee into whatever I need to tee into. The other one they do is the fuel pressure. This is part of the fuel pressure test kit with the sight block. So this is a -1 bar to +10 bar pressure gauge. And then we got the oil filled one, the glycerin filled one as well, and that's ± 1 bar. That's absolutely awesome. So these are the range of gauges that they offer. Absolutely awesome. I mean, look, there you go. That's it in my hand. Absolutely awesome construction. Really is. It's calibrated. It's absolutely brilliant gauge that. Yeah, fantastic. Much better than using a Mittiback or something like that. Cool. Yeah. Oh look, yeah, new water bottle there, new reusable water bottle, available on the Diagnostic Connections website. My number 9, can't wait for my number 9. So yeah, cracking day, absolutely cracking day. I love these. I'm loving these early mornings. Morning, Dave. How are you, mate? We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, absolutely cracking day. Saw your post, mate, in one of the groups last night. Have a look at the intake pipe on that Connect, mate. Yeah, you'll probably find that's all blocked up with carbon. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, absolutely beautiful here this morning. Absolutely beautiful, it really is. Morning, Jason. How are you, mate? And we've got, oh, look what we've got, Dave, tomorrow, mate. Got box full of goodies from Avon Tuning. Yeah, box full of goodies from Avon Tuning. Morning, Andy. So these for people that come down to the hub. So we've got hats, speakers, bottle openers, lanyards, also sunglasses, all sorts of stuff there from Gareth and the team at Avon Tuning. Yeah, and we got some more stuff over there, some JLM stuff, and got some Varta stuff as well. So yeah. So if you've not had a ride along, book yourself on a ride along. Bring your problem vehicles. Come down, we'll fix it together. The Zoom will be going on this morning. It'll be live this morning again, like it was yesterday. Obviously, because I'm starting early, I'm finishing earlier in the day. So if you try and get on about 2:30, 3 o'clock, you might miss it. But yeah, the Zoom will be going on this morning about 8 o'clock, something like that. Yeah, you will, mate, you're right. So yeah, happy days. Yeah, buzzing. Don't forget, you'll have seen the post that I shared last night. Pim's Day, we're having a Pim's Day Friday down at the Witten Chimes. We're going to have a bit of a run through that on Friday night and Saturday, and then the sardine festival on Sunday. Bit of healthy eating, nice barbecued sardines on Sunday. Can't wait. Morning, Simon. How are you, mate? Yeah, it's going to be a good weekend, weather permitting. Might even cut my hair. My hair's getting a bit long now. I've just noticed I've got 1 or 2 grey hairs popping through, so I might have to cut my hair and shave my beard off this weekend. Morning, Simon. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, I love this time of day. We're feeling the pressure, so we're going to get stuck into this diag on this Merc now, and we'll see where that takes us. So listen, have an awesome Thursday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.